Well, good Monday afternoon to you, and a happy Veterans Day to all my brothers and sisters in the armed forces. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a show enough good Monday and a good start to a new week. But I'm here to tell you in East Central Mississippi, it's about 75 degrees. It looks like it wants to storm. And here's a good one for you. We are under a severe freeze warning for tonight into tomorrow morning. It's supposed to be about 20 degrees tomorrow morning. So, been doing a lot around here, trying to get stuff prepared. Just been doing a lot of work in general. But what I want to make mention of is if you are new to the Home in the Sticks channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over, I thank y'all for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord, let me show you what I had to done did on this dang earth bed. Give me a second, that's what we finna do's. All right, brothers and sisters, we're gonna do this rather quickly because we're gonna wanna dodge the rain. I can feel it, a few drops hitting me, but look at her. I had to build me a miniature penitentiary over here at the Home in the Sticks with the green mesh fencing, and I got it all the way around. I put some cattle panel up front, but here's the kicker, it ain't working. Lord have mercy. Skylar and I went ahead and planted out some more starts. I had some more broccoli starts, and I had some more dino kale I put in, and some more stonehead cabbage. Guess what? Something done got in there and ate it again. Look at that. Every single bit of it gone. I'm gonna show you this. So we must have some show enough rabbits, wild rabbits over here at my Home in the Sticks. They actually ate through this mesh fencing. They actually ate a square out and made a hole big enough for them to just go through. So, it ain't working. I was like, I got up this morning, I said, let me go and look at this earth bed, and I was like, you gotta be kidding me. Something's still getting in here and eating it. Skylar was like, you know what? We're gonna have to end up putting cattle fencing or a goat panel all the way around this thing. Something I didn't want to do, extra expense I'm gonna have to incur, but I guess I'm gonna have to do it. Odd thing is, they ain't messing with none of that stuff. The only thing they eating is my broccoli, my stonehead cabbage, and my kale. They leaving everything else alone. Go figure on that one. Well, this is what I've been doing for the last couple of days, trying to get this thing set into place. Have a bunch of other things that I have going on. I'm gonna share that with you come time. But I also wanted to share a mail call with you. Got some showing off cool mail from two really good channels. Let's go into my shack and I'm gonna show you what I done got. All right, brothers and sisters, I have two things that I got in the mail that I want to share with you. The first one, and I'm gonna say to both of the folks that sent me this, these came in last week. I kind of knew one was coming, so I held off so I could do both of them at the same time. But I'm gonna do this one first. This one came from a long way. I'm gonna give you a hint on who sent it to me. It's nice to be nice. My friend Dave, Southpaw Davey Urban Farm, sent me some seeds. He said he was gonna send me some, and they finally come in. Let's take a look at it. So my brother Dave, he has sent me some yellow tomatoes from Norway. Yellow Tom from, yeah, Norway, 2019. Sweet. And some Aztec rainbow chilies. Now, Dave and I have talked about these before because I watched a video when he was planting and harvesting these Aztec rainbow chilies. Can't wait to do these next year, sure enough. The next one came from a showing off gardener from New Orleans. Miss Linda, the New Orleans gardener, sent this out to me. Let's take a look, see. Sure enough. Ooh. Oh, Miss Linda sent me a card. Miss Linda, I hope you don't mind. Hi Dan, hope you and your family are well. Inside you will find Italian garlic and elephant garlic. Both was harvested in Belle Chase, Louisiana. Because of this, I know it will grow beautifully in your garden. Also, I've enclosed flowers for your spring garden. Have a beautiful day, my friend. Miss Linda, the New Orleans gardener. That's right. Let's see. Ooh, elephant garlic. Yes, Lord. And Italian garlic. I've heard of the elephant garlic, but I've never really messed with the Italian garlic. Look how pretty that is. Lord, have mercy. All right, let's see what else Miss Linda has sent me. Calendula 2020 Spring Mix, Zinnia. Whoa. Nice. Cool. That's what I'm talking about. Always trying to add more flowers to the garden. Garbanzo beans for your spring garden. What? Never grew garbanzo beans? Look at her. But I sure enough love eating garbanzo beans. That's for dang sure. Hey, Miss Linda. I sure enough thank you, ma'am. All right, let me get y'all off this tripod and then we're gonna go outside. All right, y'all, there you have it. Lord of mercy. I want to give a big thank you to Dave over at Southpaw Davy Urban Farm and Miss Linda, the New Orleans gardener. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drop some links down in the description of both of these channels. Dave is from Switzerland, has a big old garden that he grows over there at his home place, shares a lot of information on what he's doing over there, does a lot of experimenting with things, and he's an awesome wood carver. So I'm gonna drop a link down to Dave's channel, showing up. And Miss Linda, the New Orleans gardener. I am sure that the folks that follow the Home and Sticks channel probably do follow the New Orleans gardener and probably Dave's channel, but links to both. Miss Linda is a just all-around beautiful person and an awesome gardener. And I made mention of garlic in my video. Couldn't find any showing up plant in the ground garlic nowhere around here. So Miss Linda left a comment. She's like, Dan, I'll send you some if you want some. And I sure enough said, yes, ma'am, I'll take some. So Miss Linda, I'm probably gonna see if I can't get this garlic in the ground maybe next week. It's gonna be showing enough cold over here in East Central Mississippi. Gonna be in the teens next couple of days, which is odd, and then the temperature is gonna jump back up. It is what it is. But a huge thank you to both of those channels for sending me the seeds. Seeds are always a blessing. And hopefully if I can get those seeds going, whatever they produce, I'm gonna try to save some seeds and share the love with you and y'all, just like Dave and Miss Linda shared the love with me. So again, I hope everybody is having a sure enough good Monday. Veterans, I hope y'all having a sure enough good day as well. And I hope everybody's having a safe Monday. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan reference showing up, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, especially when you get seeds from Miss Linda and Dave. Sure enough, that's enough to shine right there. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.